Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my class. I am Saiful Islam, English teacher, SSR High School and College, Ashulia, Dhaka. Dear students, before going to the main lesson, let's see some pictures. What can you see in the picture? Yes, this is the picture of a Boeing plane. Let's see some more pictures. Can you guess what is the place? There are many planes around, so I think this is an airport. Yes, you have rightly spoken. So can you guess what is our text today? Our today's lesson is at the airport, and it is from unit 6 lesson 1 from English for Today book of class 8. Objectives of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, write answers to questions, write a short composition, infer the meaning from the text. Let's learn some new words. Lounge. Lounge means a room for waiting in at an airport. And this is a picture of a lounge, and some people are waiting in the lounge. Our next word is immigration. Immigration is an area at an airport or at a seaport where the passports and the other documents of people wanting to come into a country are checked. The man is checking the documents. That means he is going to the immigration. Passport. Passport means permission to leave the country. Visa. Visa means permission to enter into a country. Dear students, now talk about the following pictures to your partner. What do you see? Yes, someone tell me the answer. Right. In the picture we can see some people waiting at the lounge. Can you guess where it could be? I think it could be in an airport. Who are the people in the picture? The people in the picture are maybe family members. What could be their relationship? Maybe their father, mother and sisters. Okay, dear students, now let's read the text given in our English for Today book. Slowly. Jara lives with her parents in London. They have come to Bangladesh to visit Jara's aunt and uncle. She is very close to her cousin Mita. Both the families have visited many interesting places together in Bangladesh. It was great fun. Then they decided to go to Thailand, but Mita's parents were too busy with their work, so they could not go. However, Mita was going with them. Mita, Jara and her parents are at the Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport. They are waiting in the lounge. Mita is very excited. This is her first time to board a plane. They are flying by Bangladesh Viman. Mita is hoping to have a great time in Thailand. As they wait, two cousins started planning what they would do once they reach Bangkok. Mita's aunt brings forms for all of them to fill in before going through the immigration. He gives one to Mita and says, "You have to give some information about yourself in the form. The immigration officer will check your passport and stamp on it, and then you are ready to travel." Mita, Jara and her parents start filling in the forms. Dear students, as we have gone to the text, now let's see some questions. Why is Mita excited? Can anyone tell me the answer? Yes, Mita is excited because this is her first time to board a plane. Now let's check the answer. Mita is excited because this is her first time to board a plane. Right. Number 2, why aren't Mita's parents going with her? Mita's parents are not going with her because they were busy with their work. Let's see the answer. Yes, Mita's parents are not going with them because they are too busy with their work. Number 3, what does an immigration officer do at the airport? An immigration officer checks passport and stamps on it. Thank you for learning the question. Now let's see what is next. Preparation for going abroad. That means what things we need to make a journey by plane or journey to another country. We need to have a passport and a visa on it. Then we have to arrive at a station, and in the airport they will provide you a departure card, and you will have to give some information here, and then you will have to go to the immigration. After that, you will have to board on the plane, and you have to find out your seat and have one, and the plane will take off, and after some time of after takeoff, an air hostess will arrive to serve you some snacks, and if you're lucky you will have a seat by the window, and from there you can see the scenes around the plane or below the plane. So today's individual work. Think you are going to travel to Singapore by plane. Now write a short composition about your visit to Singapore. Dear students, look at the next pictures and think about them very carefully. Suppose you are going through this train somewhere. So to make a journey, you will have to reach at a station or rail station. From there, you will have to buy tickets and stand in a queue to get into a train. After entering a train, you will have your seat, and you can also have some snacks from a hawker, and then you can also peep through the window that you have got, and from there you can see the scenes outside while the train moves on. And suppose you have passed a long distance, and at last you have reached some of your destination. So today's homework is, think you are going to travel to your grandparents' house by train. Now write a short composition about your preparation before traveling and your experience on the way. That's for all. Thank you for staying with me, and I hope you have enjoyed our today's lesson. See you again. Allah Hafiz.